Today is Monday, April the 20th. So we're going to start working out everything. Let's first go to Forex Factory. So Monday the 20th, there's actually nothing happening today at all, so no need for concern. Go back over, we're at the MNQ. And we're going to start with the daily time frame. So on the daily, I'm looking to mark out the previous day highs and lows. So it looks like there's already a low here, but I'm still going to mark mine out right here. And then my previous day high. I'll mark out up here. Then we're going to drop down to the 4-hour time frame. In the 4-hour, I'm going to see if I see any internal highs and lows that I can mark out as key levels. So basically, that would an example of that would be like if I see a bullish fair value gap, which would be this green right here, and then I see a red candle go through it, right? The wick is in the fair value gap and the red candle goes through it, but the red candle does not close above it. The red candle closes above it, right? No, I don't see any of those. Just looking now. Okay, so that's the 4-hour. Just pulling up some of these previously marked key levels, extending them. Okay, I'm going to move down to the 1-hour now. And the 1 hour is where we're going to mark our previous session highs and lows. So we have London, we're still in London market, but we mark out what is that so far. Asia's high was already taken out. Here's Asia's low that we can mark. What else do we have? We have New York lows already taken out by this candle. New York high is still intact. I already have that marked out. The London high was taken out by the New York candle. That New York low is still intact. So here is an example. Yeah, that's why we mark this out of the key level. So you see bullish fair value gap, right? Red candle goes down into it, but then it ends up closing above it. So the candle does not inverse the fair value gap. That's a good example of an internal key level. Okay, so I don't see any more. So we're going to drop down to the 30-minute. If you see any key levels here, I'm going to delete some of these old entries I had marked out from last week. This would not be a key level because this is a bullish fair value gap and a bullish candle. We need a bullish fair value gap and a bearish candle, or a bearish fair value gap and a bullish candle. Okay, so now we can just mark out our entries. So you can see this whole red area is a fair value gap. When did that happen? That happened, I think that was yesterday. Yeah, so yesterday there was a big fair value gap was formed. So if we go back to the daily, we can see how we're trending today. I'm pretty sure it's bullish, is it? Yep, we're still on a bullish trend, right? So let's mark our key levels. I don't know if you remember from last week, but I told you my new thing is gonna be 30-point take profit, but only 15 stop loss. 15 or 20, probably 15. I can't enter here because this value that goes to my profit target, but I can enter here. Let's see if there's any key levels above that area. Doesn't appear to be. I would have had them worked out already if they were. Yeah. Okay. It looks like that's the only entry we have for taking along today. Yeah. For now, at least. Now let's see where we can set up some shorts. Nope. Looks like maybe down here, yeah. We can set up a short here. And maybe another one below it. Right there. And for this one, we can probably target this key level right here. I wouldn't do that much though. Also, I'll probably do two. I was already at 2, well, maybe 3 if anything. I'll do a trailing stop loss at that point. It looks like that's it for now. I don't see any more key levels that can be marked out. No, it looks like that's where we're at for the day. Okay, so it's 9:27. Market will be opening in 3 minutes. Right now, my account balance is at $50,427.90. Again, this is my valuation phase for my funded account, so I need to pass this before I can get funded. All right, I'll be back. Okay, we have 15 seconds. It looks like this candle is going to close in reverse, therefore we can enter the trade. I'm just waiting to make sure it actually does inverse before I enter. Oh, nope, look at that. That's why you should always wait, because look how fast that changed. That changed so fast, and we would have gotten stopped out. Okay. Remember, no entry for me is fine as long as I don't lose money. If I don't get a trade to enter, that's okay with me. So we'll see. I have a feeling I will inverse, but I guess just not right now. Okay, I'll continue to wait. Okay, I'm back in the trade, 10:29. It looks like it's going to inverse this time, so we're gonna wait for this candle to close in 5 seconds and see. Alright, so it still didn't completely inverse, so I'm not chancing it. I mean, it is close enough, but better look next time for me. If it doesn't even take that, I don't know if we'll even go that far. Okay, I'll be back. Yeah, I just wanted to get back in because I just noticed that you see the bullish fair value gap that we were setting our entry next to actually inversed. So that means that we could have entered, but I'm actually not sure why it inversed, because if you look really closely, it technically did not close past, right? See, look, it's like right above it. So I don't know, according to the computer, according to the system, it inversed, but looking at it, it really doesn't look like it. So I just want to show you guys. Alright, so I'm back in it as 1034, so it looks like it is going to close beneath, so I just want to make sure. Okay. So it did technically inverse, you see. It did close beneath, so I got my entry, and now we're going to hope everything plays out the way we want it to. So wondering how price fluctuates so quickly. Like it was just at over 100, and now we're back down to $20. See? Right here, no, yeah, this is the same. Okay, so it looks like we won that trade. Yay! So our new account balance is at $50,654.30. So on that trade, we made $226.40. Looking good. Remember, I'm trying to target, I need 2,500 to pass my evaluation. All right, so we are done for the day. Yep. All right.